Hey guys, it's ShawNshawN here, for the artist from ShawNshawN.co, and I do specials on eBay. Today I'm going to do a farm scene with fog. So it's fog mixed in with kind of a sunrise, sunset, I'm not sure. So it's kind of an orange hue and everything, so wish me luck. Thanks guys. Alright, so the question of the day is, which is the longest tree, where do the longest trees live in America? Hey, we're going to do the colors right now. Primary yellow, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, pearly red, alizarin, phthalo green, raw sienna, raw umber, burnt umber, and Mars black. Let's get this party started. First layer in, kind of a very neutral, kind of a golden look in the sky. It's going to be kind of a gold over here. I think I have to redo that a little bit to get a more darker contrast. You have the greens, they fade into kind of an orange reddish glow. So you have this kind of fading in here. You're going to have a stronger green here, stronger reddish here. Got this nice tan path. And then later we'll add the trees and stuff, but first we got to get the sky, kind of the very base colors in. Alright, today we're going to start with the next level. I'm probably going to finish the sky here and then add in some of the far away brush and then work my way up to the front. Later we'll add the tree, but I got to get the sky just right. Looking pretty good now, but this doesn't feel right. This is kind of reddish. I don't think that looks right, so we'll work on this. It's a little better, not exactly, but I'm just going to move on to the next layer. I'm going to add in the trees, some of the more background in here, and we'll see how it goes. The question of the day was, what were the longest trees to live in America? So you have the giant sequoias. I think people are pretty famous and know about that with the redwoods. Those live up to 3,000 years old. But actual Alaskan redwood, they actually live to 3,500, so they live a little bit longer, way past our lifetime. So that's my question of the day. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, let's check out the painting just finished here. So we'll zoom in. So I got kind of the dark green forested look on this tree. Got like this burnt red into the background, kind of fades in the background. And it adds this little bit of sky with the fence. To get a little bit of contrast with the white glistening fence, the wire. So I think overall it turned out pretty good. I got kind of the colors I want to get in there. Maybe the sun could be a little brighter, but I think it's decent as it is. Yeah, I think it's got like the leaves falling into the road, so it's a pretty good painting, I think. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe below if you want to subscribe. And see you in the next painting video. Thanks, guys.